Okay, 0-7, we're going to talk about perimeter in this lesson. This lesson, we're going to talk about perimeter of generally, most likely, easy shapes. When we get to a little bit more difficult shapes, you're going to just basically take the easy ones and put them together. Wait a minute, what is perimeter again? What is perimeter?
The distance around.
Distance around. So distance around object. It's the distance around an object. Now, I found this online and I placed it in here so it doesn't follow exactly the right variables that your book uses for their formulas. But if you have a square, that means all of the sides are the same. So on our square here, each side is A. And so it would be A plus A plus A plus A, which is 4A. That's why the perimeter is 4A. If it's a circle, actually they don't have it on here. We're going to call it something else. If it's a circle, it's a special perimeter. It's a distance around the circle. It has a different name. But it is, I think it'd be easier if you wrote it as 2 pi r, as in pi, use pi symbol. 2 pi r, we call it something else. What do we call that? You guys know? Circumference. We also call that the circumference. The circumference is 2 pi r, or the distance around a circle. A rectangle is like a square, add up all the sides, but the cool thing about it is that two sides are always the same. So both sides here, the short sides are B's and the two larger sides are A's. So therefore 2A plus 2B or A plus B plus B. It doesn't matter. A triangle is A plus B plus C or all the different side lengths added together. A parallelogram. Hey, a parallelogram deals the same way as a rectangle because to be a parallelogram, our sides have to be parallel. And if they're parallel, all sides will be the same that are opposite each other. So that's kind of nice. Trapezoids are a little different because you could have 4 different lengths, and it's the top piece, the bottom piece, which is the top base, bottom base, and then your 2 slanted sides. So A plus B plus C plus D is what they like to call it. Okay? So there's a couple different options there for those. So we just have to have a couple examples of this. It says find the perimeter of each figure. It's a rectangle with a length of 5 inches and a width of 1 inch. What is the perimeter of rectangle A? P equals 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1, right? Yeah. Remember, if I was standing here, standing there, and I walked this way around my square or rectangular-ish pool, I would have to walk a 5, then walk 1, then walk 5, and then back up to walk 1, which is 12. And in this case, it's 12 inches because the units are inches. What about the square? The square with a 7 centimeter side. All of the sides are the, so therefore it's 7 times 4, which is 28 centimeters. So you have 28 centimeters. Any questions there? Again, this is hopefully a pretty good one here. C of the parallelogram. Wait a minute, parallelograms follow the same thing as? No. Rectangles. So therefore, we could say it's 12 plus 14 plus another 12 plus 14. That works. Or can I say that I have 2 12s plus 2 14s? Right? I have 2 of each side. So each of those will give us the same exact answer. But what's 12 plus 14? 26. You have that twice, so there was 26 plus 26. They're both 52. Yeah, either doesn't matter which way you go about this. You have 52. 52 what? Meters. 52 meters. The triangle, we're in millimeters. Our answer will be in millimeters. It's 12 plus 15 plus 9, which equals how many millimeters? 34? No. Is it? 15 plus 12 is 27. I think I get 36. 12 plus 15 is 27. 27 plus 9, 36. Which they then can go into circles. Lots of different things about circles. A circle, guys, is a fixed distance from a point we call the center. If you think about it, if you're at the center of a circle, every point on a circle is the same distance from you. That's what the definition of a circle is. Now, there are several different things. What they don't have in here, and I wish they did on this, is that there should be a big dot there that would say, hey, I am at the center, right? And what we have here is we have this short piece from the center to the side, and that's called a radius. We have one that goes from one end of the circle to the other, and it passes through the center. That's called a diameter. And this one, which is not, we're using in our book right now, but it just connects two pieces, or a side to a side on the circle, and they call that a chord. And the definitions are there. And again, circumference is from the other page. Circumference is 2 pi r, the distance around a circle. Yes? Get through these 3 examples and we're done. Find the circumference to the nearest tenth. So you're going to have to take a calculator out. All of these are of circles. What is the circumference? C equals 2 pi r, right? So if the radius, which is r, is 4 feet, then c equals 2 times pi times 4. What's 2 times 4?
8.
So it's 8 pi. You guys put it on your calculator. 8 pi is approximately 137. So it would be 25.1 because it says to the nearest tenth. And this is in feet. Is it feet squared or feet? It's feet because you walk a distance of feet, not feet squared, right? It's not an area, it's a distance. B, it has a diameter of 15. So do I put 15 into there? What should I put into R? It's not 15. It's half, right? Because the diameter is all the way through the circle, or crossed, where a radius is only half. What's half of 15? Yeah, 7.5. So C equals 2 times pi times 7.5. Wait a minute, but then it's 2 times 7.5, which is back to 15 pi. And what's 15 pi? 47.9, and this one's in centimeters. And if they give you a picture and it shows you that the radius is 3, not too bad. C equals 2 times pi times 3, which equals 6 pi, 18.8, and that would be centimeters as well.